All right, welcome to another phase of our class. Today, I want to be introducing you to a website where you can get your domain for free, your domain and your hosting plan for free. Now, the essence of doing this video is for our assignment, nothing more, just for assignment. Now, if you check the other process I showed you, there is so much for you to pay there. You have to pay for the domain and then also pay for the hosting. But because of those who will be unable, don't know how to put the English, but then for those who are unable to pay for those things, that is why I am using this platform for you, so that you can partake in the assignments that I want to give. So you can partake in the assignment I want to give. That's the essence of this. But then if you really want to build a website for yourself, for your business, it is good you go ahead and make those payments, and then follow the process of this class. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. I'm already a registered member here. I normally use this for to teach other classes. And I think when I started my website journey, this is where I was building so many websites with this and then showcasing them as my portfolio. So you can also do the same. You can build a lot of websites from this platform and then showcase them as your portfolio, so that those who wants to patronize you will see that you are good with what you are doing. Let's just see the website. Let me not talk too much. Now I have an account, so I will just log in. But then since you are just starting, you click on the register button. But then let's log in. All right, okay, I think there is an account here. And once you get to this place, if you're a fresh user, nothing will be showing here for you. Nothing will be showing here, and over here you'll be saying 0 out of 30. But since I have a website here, okay, I think I actually did this as a practical. So since I have one here, we have 1 over 3. So I'll just create a new account. All right, I'll create a new account. So choose an hosting plan. So over here, see, there's nothing actually free, but let's just say there's nothing actually free, you understand? But then let's see the disadvantage of using the free one. 0 forever, so which means your website is going to be there forever without stopping. Now, but then the web size is what is few, which is 5 gig. 5 gig. If you look at this one, it's 5 gig also. If you look at this one, it's unlimited, you understand? So over here it's 5 gig. I think one day I will use this platform to build a website, maybe not for your customer, maybe for personal sake. But then let's look at, we're talking about the free one. So we have unlimited this, unlimited that, but then we cannot create web email with this. We don't have control over our SIPA name. We don't have unlimited. We don't have all of this. Anything, since you are saying the council here, we don't have all of this attached to it. Now there is one thing that is not listed here, which is the SSL, which is our security. If you build a website for free like this, there will be no security attached to it. The website will be porous, and such websites you cannot tell people to go and make payments through that website. You cannot tell people, because their cards details will not be secure. So you don't tell people to make payment through such website. That is why I use the word, it is not professional. And in this kind of website, you can't get a .com, you can't get a .ng. So I clicked on it. Let me just confirm. Let's just confirm. So that you see what I'm saying. I really did not want this video to be long, but I think it will be long. So please, because I will be combining a lot of things together in this video for you to watch. I'll be combining a lot of things. So it's going to be long. Be patient while watching it, and of course network will be disturbing once in a while. Alright, so we'll just confirm that we are human. So we successfully confirm. Now over here you see that there is so.ge. Now there are a lot of domains that are here that you can choose. You have gt.tc, greatsites.net. There are so many depending on what you actually want to use, but then I prefer using this rof.gd. So over here we will now choose, let's say, youth slash nycn. So let's click on here, check for availability. So I think it's available. It's available, of course. So over here, the next thing we want to do is to change the password. There's already generated password, but then I don't want to change since it's not something I want to really use. The already generated password. So here, email consent. So I will say approve. I will just click on create. Just click on create. I can save this. I'll just click on never. Alright, it's going to take a while, but then let's read the instruction that is here. It's going to take a few minutes for your account to be set up. It can take up to 72 hours for new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS checking. Okay, everywhere, which means if you create it, if you create it today, it means it may not be available for the internet, like for people to access it until 72 hours. I think that's still fair enough. That's 3 days. So over here, we've successfully created the domain. So this is our domain here. So the next thing we want to do is to go to our cPanel. Now on this cPanel, there are a lot of things we will be doing when we start creating actual websites. When we start creating real websites, there are a lot of things we'll be doing with cPanel, but with this free domain, you may not be able to do them. That's the truth. You may not be able to do them. One of the things that we click on approve. One of the things that we'll be doing on our cPanel is how to. We've done how to create email. Now with this free one, you cannot create webmail from your cPanel. With this free pattern, you cannot. Then we'll be uploading files. Now those files with this free pattern, you cannot upload those files. So everything you'll be using to build this website is going to be free. And then if you are building an e-commerce website, trust me, you need a lot of premium plugins and all of that to build your e-commerce website. Now let's see. This is the cPanel, as you can see. It's still loading. If you go back to the previous video, you see that there is a difference between the two. There is a big difference between the two. That's because this one is what is free, but let's wait for it to complete. Let's wait for it to complete. All right, so this is it. You see that there is a big difference between the previous one that we used and then this particular one, because this is free. This is free. This is free. Things are not good. But then let's install. Like I said, we're doing a lot of things here, so we'll install our WordPress. Now once you get to this stage, search for Spectaculous app installer. This is where you go. So you click on it. Click on it. Alright, so we are here. Click on our WordPress. Install. Alright, so just okay, there is no directory here like the previous one. I think the new WordPress is 8.2, but this one is still showing 8.1, but let's still use it. So over here we'll just change the name to Youth NYCN. Alright, so over here we can delete this. We don't need it here. We can just put admin. As the username, and then the password we can still leave the password since it's just a particle class. And still leave the password. So come down. There is nothing here for us to do again. So the next thing we want to do right now is just click on install. Alright, so it's gonna take a while to load. Alright, so this is just a simple way to right now the website is live. So let's see how it looks like here. So you see that it is live, but there is another issue. This is not the issue. That's why I said free things are not good. Now it's having a directory here, which is question mark I equals to 1. that is just the essence of having free thing, but it's still the same pattern. Still the same pattern. So this is our assignment. You know, what's going on? Before I give the assignment, please behave yourself. I know we are using free thing. All right, this is what I wanted to show you. See that it's showing not secured. So you can see it's showing not secured here. So there is a problem with that. So if it was a secured website, this would have shown. So this is indicating that the website is not what? It's not secure. But then let's see, why am I having this issue? Why am I having this issue? All right, I think it's because of the 47 hours. Well, 47 hours. I really don't know, but I don't think that should be the reason. Honestly, don't think that should be the reason. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I have one installation here, so let me click on it. So I think there is a login here. This thing. So let me just still the same thing. All right, I will pause the video, and once it comes live, I will do it again and see what it has for us. But then this is our assignment. Go through this process, create your own domain name, and then install your WordPress and submit the domain name. Just the submission is just going to be the website address, just as we have here, youth/nycn.rof.gd. So this is what you just drop on the group for us to view. If what you are just installing is just your WordPress, nothing much. Then after, we'll start building on that URL. So go ahead, follow the process I've given to you. Create your own domain, which is your web address. Thank you very much for watching. But then if I get access to this video, I'm still going to drop the solution for it and why it's so. So please, thank you very much for watching. God bless you.